Yeah, hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I'm going to teach you how to look for key, okay? As a keyboardist, you need to know how to look for key, you understand? Because it's not every time you're going to be starting the song. Sometimes you can go to a program whereby they will just start singing, so you just have to look for the key, okay? So that is what I'm going to teach you today, and it's very important you learn this. So I'm going to teach you easy way of looking for key, okay? So this is how it goes. First of all, if you want to find the key, okay, if you want to find the key, you have to know your solfa notation, like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, di, do, ra, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. You have to know that very importantly. So, once you are learning keyboard, you have to, when I was learning with solfa notation. You just arrange some random songs, and try to write down the solfa note so that you'll be able to build up your hearing, okay? You'll be able to build up your hearing. So, like something like this now. You are God from beginning to the end. You are God from beginning to the end. So, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la. You understand? So once you know something like that now, once you just hear this song, you are God from beginning to the end. So, do, you have to look for the do of that song to be able to get the particular key. You understand? You have to get the do. You have to look for the do of the song to be able to get that particular key. Let me just sing it to another key so that you understand what I mean now. You are God from beginning to the end. What you find now is do. You see? I just get it immediately. You are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for argument. You are God of by yourself. You understand? Now let me try it in another key again now. You are God from beginning to the end. Do. You understand now? Now is it flat? You are God from beginning to the end. These are different keys. I'm just teaching you a stand. So first of all, you have to know the do of that song. You understand? If you are looking for me of the song, you will not be able to get the key. And start from the key you are playing. You see, I'm starting from F sharp. So I'm going down. It will be easy for you to get it. Don't just start and be doing like this. You understand? If you are playing on C, you just go up like this. From there, once you get to that particular key, as far as you have built your hearing, you must get it. Let me use another song now. Be thou exalted, O Lord, above all heaven. This one now is do. You see? Even if you pass it, you must go back to it. That is C now. Be thou exalted, O Lord, above all heavens. Understand? So that is just how to look for a key. Easy way. Just be looking for the do. And once you get the do, put the do at the back of your head or your mind. Just tune it in your head and be looking for that. You will get it. You understand? Let me try it on another song. No one like you, Jehovah. No one like you. Do is even F sharp. No one like you, Jehovah. No one like you. You understand? So this is also how to look for key as a keyboardist, okay? God bless you. See you all in my next video.